When it comes to improving the air quality in your home, finding the right air purifier can be a challenge. Whether you're dealing with allergies, pet dander, or just want to breathe cleaner air, I've got you covered with some of the best air purifiers on the market. These models each have their strengths and weaknesses, but the goal is to find one that fits your specific needs. Let's go through the top picks, including their pros and cons, so you can make an informed decision. And don't worry, the links to check out the prices or make a purchase are in the description. Let's jump in. First up is the Levoit Core 300. This purifier is known for its quiet operation and compact design, making it a great fit for smaller spaces like bedrooms or home offices. It runs so quietly that it's perfect for light sleepers or anyone sensitive to noise. It's also affordable, offering a high level of purification without the hefty price tag. The controls are simple and easy to use, which is ideal if you prefer straightforward functionality over complicated features. However, this model doesn't come with smart features like app connectivity, which might be a downside if you're looking for more tech-savvy options. Additionally, it struggles to clean larger spaces, as it's designed for rooms up to 219 square feet. So, while it's great for smaller areas and those on a budget, it's not the best option for tech lovers or anyone needing purification for bigger rooms or open spaces. Next on the list is the Kawe AirMega AP1512HHW. This air purifier comes with smart sensing technology, which means it automatically adjusts the fan speed based on the air quality. This feature makes it energy efficient, as it works only as hard as it needs to while keeping your air clean with minimal effort on your part. The AirMega is especially effective at removing both particles and odors, making it ideal for homes with pets or smokers. It works in medium to large rooms, handling up to 361 square feet, and it has a built-in air quality monitor that gives you real-time updates, so you always know the state of your air. On the downside, it's bulkier than many other models, which can make it a bit cumbersome to move from one room to another. It's also on the pricier side, so it may not fit every budget. If you have a larger home and are looking for a powerful air purifier with smart features, this is a great choice, but it might not be the best option for smaller homes or those who need something more portable. The Vieweur HQSC50 offers a compact, lightweight design, making it easy to move from room to room as needed, which is especially handy for smaller spaces or apartments. Its 3-stage filtration system, which includes a HEPA filter, does a good job of capturing pollutants, allergens, and odors, improving air quality significantly in smaller spaces. The built-in air quality sensor, complete with an LED display, provides real-time feedback on the air quality, helping you monitor its performance. While this model excels in smaller rooms, it struggles a bit when it comes to purifying larger spaces, and it may not be powerful enough to handle environments with severe air pollution, like homes affected by smoke or heavy outdoor pollution. It's a solid choice if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-move option for small to medium rooms, but it might fall short if you need something for more severe air quality issues. Now, let's look at the AROEVE MK03. This air purifier stands out with its sleek design and dual-channel technology, which improves air circulation and speeds up purification. It's perfect for small to medium rooms with a design that fits seamlessly into most home decor. The sleep mode lowers noise levels to a near-silent level, making it an ideal option for bedrooms or nurseries where quiet is a priority. While it's affordable and stylish, it may struggle to purify larger rooms effectively. Also, it lacks some of the smart features, like app control or air quality sensors that you might find in higher-end models. If you need something simple and quiet for a small space, this model is a great fit, but it might not be the best choice if you're looking for more advanced features or need coverage for a bigger area. Moving on, the Philips Air Purifier 800 series offers a simple yet effective solution for improving air quality. It uses a reliable filtration system to remove allergens, bacteria, and even some harmful gases, making it perfect for people with allergies or sensitivities. Its compact size makes it an excellent choice for smaller rooms like bedrooms, offices, or nurseries, and it operates quietly enough to not disturb your daily routine. However, it doesn't come with any advanced features like smart sensing or app connectivity, and it's not built for larger spaces. If you need a straightforward, no-fuss air purifier for a small area, this one gets the job done, but it may not satisfy those who want more tech-savvy features or who need to purify bigger spaces. Next, the Levoit Vital 200SP is a smart air purifier that connects to the V-Sync app, allowing you to control the purifier remotely and adjust settings easily. This added functionality is a big plus if you want the convenience of managing your air purifier from your phone. The Vortex Air technology helps to circulate air more quickly, which makes it particularly effective in medium-sized rooms. However, this model is a bit pricier than non-smart purifiers, and it can get somewhat noisy when running on the highest settings. If you love integrating smart devices into your home and want fast air purification, this purifier is a great option. That said, the higher price point and noise levels may not be necessary for everyone, especially if you don't need the app connectivity. The BlueAir BluePure 211i Max is designed for large spaces and is equipped with HEPA-silent technology, which combines mechanical and electrostatic filtration to clean the air both efficiently and quietly. It's powerful enough to handle large rooms or open spaces, making it a good fit for living rooms, open-plan homes, or larger bedrooms. Despite its power, it remains one of the quieter models on the market, even when running at full capacity, which is a big plus if you're sensitive to noise. It's also highly effective at removing odors, smoke, and allergens. On the downside, it's a bulkier unit, which makes it less portable if you want to move it between rooms frequently. Additionally, it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, so it may not be the best fit for those on a tight budget. If you need an air purifier that can handle big rooms and heavy-duty air cleaning, this is a solid choice, but it might be overkill for smaller spaces. Lastly, we have the Philips Air Purifier 1000 series. This purifier uses VitaShield IPS and AeroSense technology, making it particularly good at removing ultrafine particles. It's an excellent choice for those with severe allergies or respiratory issues who need high-quality filtration. The Night Sense mode dims the lights and lowers the noise for a quieter experience at night, making it a great option for bedrooms. However, this model is pricier than some other options, and it lacks app connectivity or other advanced smart features. While it excels at filtration, if you're looking for a more connected or affordable option, it might not be the best fit. This purifier is perfect for those who need superior allergen control, but may not be ideal for those wanting a more tech-heavy solution. Finally, the PuroAir 240 is designed for medium-sized rooms up to 240 square feet. It offers an advanced HEPA filter that captures particles like pollen, dust, and pet dander, making it a good choice for allergy sufferers. The unit is energy efficient, meaning you can run it all day without worrying too much about electricity costs, and it does a solid job of keeping the air fresh and clean. However, it doesn't have any smart controls or app connectivity, and it's not as effective in larger spaces. If you're looking for a dependable, affordable option for a moderately sized room, this purifier is a great choice, but it may fall short for tech enthusiasts or those needing coverage for bigger areas. To wrap up, these air purifiers each offer something unique. The Levoit Core 300 is perfect for smaller spaces and those seeking a quiet, affordable option. The Coway Air Mega excels in medium to large rooms with its smart sensing abilities, while the Vuior HQSC50 offers a compact and budget-friendly solution for smaller rooms. The Aeroeve MK03 is ideal for bedroom use with its quiet sleep mode, and the Philips 800 series and 1000 series are great for anyone needing reliable, allergen-focused purifiers. If you're looking for more control and smart features, the Levoit Vital 200 SP is for you, while the BlueAir BluePure 211 iMax is a top performer for large spaces. Lastly, the PuroAir 240 provides a solid, energy-efficient choice for mid-sized rooms. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more details or to buy one of these. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.